OpenAI, the artificial intelligence company that develops the famous ChatGPT software, is ambitious to develop generations of robots with brains, helping to improve perception, reasoning, and interaction with humans. OpenAI's ambition is to help robots have the ability to think. Although AI technology has existed for decades, it is only in recent years that AI has continuously created breakthroughs in intelligence and has been applied more and more widely in many fields. Life. Artificial intelligence (AI) has made remarkable progress in just a short time. One of the pioneers and most impressive breakthroughs in the AI race is OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT software, the AI software that is considered the most intelligent today. However, instead of just focusing on developing AI software, OpenAI has the ambition to develop humanoid robots with brains, helping robots have the ability to think to improve perception, reasoning as well as thinking. Way of interacting with people and the surrounding environment. To do this, OpenAI has invested millions of dollars in Figure, a company specializing in creating humanoid robots. In fact, from the first day of its establishment in 2015, OpenAI has ambitiously developed humanoid robots integrated with artificial intelligence. However, at this time OpenAI still did not have enough potential to develop machines and hardware, so the company focused on developing AI software, thereby launching the ChatGPT tool. At the present time, when the economic potential has become stronger, OpenAI has continued the ambition it set out in the first days. We always planned to return to robotics, and we felt we could go down the same path as Figure to explore what humanoid robots can do when combined with multi-layered AI software systems. Our approach, shared Peter Wallinder, VP of Product and Partnerships at OpenAI. We are amazed by how far Figure has progressed. We look forward to working together to open up the possibilities of how humanoid robots can help in everyday life, Wallinder shared more. Multimodality is essentially AI models that can understand and interact with more things than just being able to understand text input commands. The multimodal AI model allows the system to communicate with users using text, images, video, sound, or data obtained from sensors. This is very important if you want the robot to be able to operate independently without needing a human to write down each task it needs to perform. Why is Figure company sought after by many big guys? In addition to OpenAI, many other technology giants such as Microsoft, Nvidia, Intel, and Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, investing as an individual, are also pouring money into Figure to develop humanoid robots with thinking ability. Figure is a robotics company founded in 2022, with the goal of developing humanoid robots that can operate in many fields such as manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, or even retail. Figure's ambition is to create a team of robots to fill job positions with a serious workforce shortage. To date, Figure has developed its first robot called Figure 01. This robot can move on 2 legs, carry objects, and even learn how to use a coffee maker. Figure said its robot is capable of working faster than humans. When cooperating with OpenAI and integrating the artificial intelligence system developed by OpenAI, Figure 01 is expected to be able to operate completely autonomously to perform tasks as required, even having the ability to think, perceive, reason, and know how to interact with people and the surrounding environment. Our vision at Figure is to bring humanoid robots into commercial operations as soon as possible, said Brett Adcock, founder and CEO of Figure. The new investments will ensure the company is better prepared to bring AI robots into the world, creating a transformative impact on humanity. To put it simply and easily to understand, the combination of OpenAI and Figure is similar to equipping ChatGPT with a body, in which ChatGPT will act as the soul and brain for the robot, thereby helping humans perform tasks. Can show more things, instead of just being able to give answers like the current ChatGPT software. According to market research firm Markets and Markets, the humanoid robot industry will explode in the next 5 years, reaching a value of $13.8 billion and more humanoid robots will integrate artificial intelligence. Was born. Currently, billionaire Elon Musk's electric car company Tesla is also focusing on developing its own humanoid robot model. With ambitions that could include working in Tesla's vehicle factories or acting as a housekeeper.